Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Dodge Charger RT and this is by Majorette from their limited edition series and this from series 9. This is a 2023 casting. So back then I bought it for 349. Okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, so here is the card art. That looks really great. Okay, here is the specification of the car. Okay, let me just put this aside. So here is the casting itself. So out of the box the casting looks absolutely solid and it looks really beautiful, and the paint job on this one looks really nice, matte black with this golden pinstripe, and this livery on the side mentions 67 Charger RT. That is really awesome. Okay, so I don't know if that original car has some kind of headlights here. I think it is supposed to have, but I am not sure where. I don't remember, to be honest, but I'm really happy. Look at the detailing on this one, on this charger part. That is really crisp and clear. I'm really happy about that. It has grill detail as well. So it has rear view mirrors, which is really nice. The hood details are really nice. And the rims on this one, it matches this particular casting. And they went with this golden trims on this tires. So that actually matches this livery here, even the pinstriping here. So on the stance on this one is a bit, like front down and back up. So that actually matches this particular casting. It looks like this drag racing cars. So you can see the taillight details here. And okay, the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. It has exhaust detailing here, which is really nice. Okay, you can see the interior as well. That looks really good. Okay, this is a drag racing car if I'm not wrong, because it has this roll cage and all everything inside. Okay, so it has openable engine bay. So the engine bay has nice detailing to it. Let me see if I can put it in this way. That is really great. Okay, let's do a suspension test. It does have suspension. So you can see the fuel filler cap also here. It is really good. 38 grams. Let's see. Okay, 40, not bad. Let's do a roll test. Okay. See, it does roll really good. Not too well, but it rolls really good. And it looks really beautiful. Okay, let's rate this casting now. See, again, I'm not sure about the headlights on this particular car. I mean, the actual car, I seriously don't remember now whether it actually has any headlights here inside this part, or how it is supposed to work in this particular car. I mean, I'm talking about the actual car. So, see, let me put it this way. If there are supposed to be anything here, like, the headlight details, and if these guys miss this out, then I'm taking point 0.5 for that. So 9.5 out of 10. If not, this is a 10 out of 10 car. So you guys let me know how this actually looks in the actual car. Maybe I need to go out and do a Google search after I finish recording these videos. But it looks really beautiful, and this and that particular car both are same. You can remove that body kit from that one, you can put it in this one. That will fit. Maybe apart from this engine bay here, I mean, If you remove this part, you can still fit that here. I think so, yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.